Is it Jeffree Star approved? I think so. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In today's video, I am doing my Valentine's Day to the extreme makeup look. Now, normally you guys are used to seeing makeup tutorials from me on Monday. Obviously, this Monday's video got replaced with my Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing, which I hope you're okay with because I was very excited by that video. And I do showcase some of the products that I got in that box in this video, so hopefully that kind of makes up for it, including the lip. Does it look familiar to anybody? I don't know. If you've seen that video, maybe it will. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoy this extreme Valentine's Day, Jeffree Star-esque makeup tutorial. But before I ramble any further about this makeup or what's happening in this video, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And let's get right into this kind of intense makeup tutorial. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the Blood Sugar palette. I have already primed my eyes with the P. Louise base in 0.5. It's the lightest one you can get. I'm very pale. That makes sense. So we're going to go ahead and start off here with actually our darkest color that we're going to be using. And that is Coma right here. And it's a very, very beautiful deep purple. And we're going to be using that to really outline our base. You've probably seen people do what I'm about to do on Instagram, but it's definitely difficult. I'm going to start from right about here. And bring it out. And back down. And we're going to bring that into the socket of the eye. So now I'm going to take a fluffier brush and I'm going to diffuse out that color that we just laid down. I'm going to make sure to be really precise here because I don't want anything in this blocked out area right there. Alright, so once it's all blown out and it looks thicker, you're going to go in with your next shade. The next shade that I'm going to be working with is Cherry Soda, which is this guy right here. It's a little bit deeper red, but not as light as the lightest red that we're going to be using today. I'm going to go ahead and do this on a smaller blending brush, but still big enough to get a good blend. Alright, and for the final outside layer step, we are going to use the shade Cavity, which is this beautiful pink shade. I think this might be the first time I'm really using this palette on my channel besides when I did the 100 looks in 24 hours challenge. Which if you haven't seen that, I worked really hard on it and you should go check it out. And we're going to do that all the way to the inner corner here. We want to really round this out and pull it up. Now that the outside is done, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the inside and we'll begin working on that section. Alright, so to cut, I'm just using the P. Louise base. And I am stamping out where I want it to come out from. So that is what I was going for there, and we will do all of the inside work inside of those lines. Woo! Okay, so now my plan is to do what's on the outside on the inside, so reversed. The purple outline, but and then we're gonna work instead of outside of the purple outline, we're gonna work inside of the purple outline. Make sense? If not, just watch, you'll figure it out. I don't think I've done a look this intricate on my channel literally ever. But I do them on my Instagram all the time, so if you like more intricate things, check out there. Okay, so we've got that outline. Don't worry if it's super messy. You can clean it up with a small line later like I'm going to do. but I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side and then start the blend. So with this one, I'm going to go ahead and blend out once again, but towards the inside like this. So instead of going on top of the line, I'm going under the line, but I'm making sure to be very, very careful with how much I'm doing. We have very limited space here to work with. So now, just like last time, I'm gonna go in with that deeper red shade on the inside. Actually, I should probably go on the side because this is what I'm doing the whole time. On that buffer brush, and just kind of fill in what's left of the open space. Like so. We want really nice gradients. That is what we are shooting for here. And feel free to go back whenever you want to kind of deepen up the purplish part or blend that out even more. And sometimes I even like going back in with this type of brush and setting it up close to the line and just dragging it down into the red, kind of like a paintbrush. And finally, we're going to take the pink, which is the very lightest shade, and we're just going to go ahead and merge that right down into that inner corner and the very bottom there. So now is the point where you're going to want to go back and clean up. There's obviously, it's not as clean as lines as it was before. So going back in with a small lid brush, you can go in and carve out the areas that may have become a little less clean. And I just like to use the tip of the brush for this, because that's how you're going to get the most precise line. Like so. See how that just became even more clear? And finally, like legitimately the best part of this makeup look is you get to clean up the lines because you want really sharp angular lines with this look. Wrap the wipe around your finger. Drag it on up like so. Woohoo! Alright, now, so something that's really going to help bring this look together is lashes. I'm going to be wearing the Sunset Boulevard lashes from Morphe Cosmetics. These are my favorite lashes of all time, honestly. They're so good. So I'm going to throw these on, but then I'm going to do the rest of my face and come back to show you how I'm going to do the under eye area. Alright, so the rest of my face is done, and I added a little bit of lipstick. I did use the mystery shade from both the Valentine's box as well as the holiday box for this year. Mix them together, both very, very gorgeous shades. Metallic lips. What do we think? I think they go well, really, really well with this look. But we have one step left. We have the under eye portion to do. Let's do it. Alright, so basically all of the shades that we used on the top of the eye, we are going to use on the bottom of the eye. Just less, if that makes sense. So starting off with, oh gosh. So starting off with our deep, deep purple shade, I'm going to go along with that. That is the shade Coma. And that is going to be run directly under the eye. And we're just going to go directly under the eye here. And it's so hard to show you guys what I'm doing, but I'm trying my best. You guys are very, very close to my eye right now. And I'm just dragging that along the baseline. And moving that inwards. Next, we're going to go ahead and take that very small blending brush and run the red that went right after the purple shade along that lower lash line, like so. And feel free to connect that up to the top too to create more continuity. And finally, I'm just going to dip into the pink on that same brush. And we're going to go right below. We're bringing this one out pretty far. We are bringing this one pretty far down, just so you guys know. Like so. So this is the finished look. What do y'all think? Alright, let me fix the hair situation. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is what I came up with. It is my version of Valentine's. Obviously, my version of Valentine's is a little bit more in your face than most versions of Valentine's, which is totally fine. Everyone has their own cup of tea. There's plenty of neutral looks that would be great for Valentine's, but I love being a little bit extra. I loved getting to use my blood sugar palette formally on my channel. I haven't gotten to do that before. I used it in my 100 looks in 24-hour video, but since then I haven't used it on camera at all, even though it's one of my favorite palettes. So I'm very happy to show you guys what I love to do with this palette. This whole face is basically just Jeffree Star's Valentine's look. I don't know if I'm going to title it that, but we'll find out once I edit this video. Once again, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Keep an eye out for that all Jeffree Star palette giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.